Hello folks, I'm happy to demo the Abre Parent Portal app in this screencast. The Abre Portal is becoming the hub for school. And for parents and guardians, we wanted to show you how you can see all the relevant information in one place with one sign-in, making it clean, making it simple, and making it easy. So you're going to go to your own district's URL, and once there, you would click Sign In as Parent. You will have three different options. You can log in with Google, Gmail, or G Suite. You can sign in with Facebook, or you can sign in with Microsoft. If you do not have one of these three, you can go and sign up. We kind of recommend Gmail just because G Suite is pretty prominent in education, but it's really up to you. So I'm going to go ahead and click sign in with Google. And after you log in, what you will see possibly is a headline. These are announcements that a district or a school may want you to pay particular attention to. So like for this example, by checking this box, you're saying that you've gone through the tour. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit finish. And then I'll come in here and I may see information. I might see a parent announcement coming through. I might see a variety of news appearing here. Over here, I'm going to see forms that are recommended to me as a parent. Down here, I'll see students that are assigned to me, and I'll cover that in a second. And over here in books, there might be some things like a handbook or things that are shared with you can access. If you want to see third-party apps, you go up here and you select the app icon up here, and you'll see different third-party apps that just by clicking on it, a new browser will open up and you can go ahead and do what you have to use. Over here are the Abre apps, and for parents we have three right now. We've got books, forms, and students. This will grow over time, but this is where you would access it. Now if I wanted to go ahead and add a student, I'm going to go over here and select the plus icon, and you should be given a student access code. So I'm going to go ahead and copy one and paste it in. And there, I've had, actually I just added Steve to the profile. So I have 4 kids that are assigned to me, 4 students. And if I wanted to see Steve's profile, I would click View Profile. I'll be able to see relevant information about Steve. So I can come in here and I can see assessment data, maybe state assessment data or local assessments. I can see schedules, attendance, conduct that might be going on. And really this is, like I said, customizable by your school. So you might see additional information, I'm trying to think like grades, various elements can appear right here. We call them the baseball card view. But this is great. You can quickly see everything that's going on with your student and understand how they're performing academically and sometimes socially as well. So I'm going to come back here to my home screen. To complete any forms, you can go over here or you can go off the widget over here. But if you click on this, bring up my forms, say I wanted to sign off on an AUP form. It would pop up, click I have received, submit. And now the district has received the form and can use that information accordingly. So you might see like emergency medical forms, you might see contact forms, etc., etc. But this is the primary method by which we're starting to see districts gather information from their parents. So you are going to want to visit the portal to learn what is happening in your school. I would note that this portal is actually growing over time. We're only getting started on what we'll be able to do. Our hope is to make communication and understanding between schools and parents frictionless and very easy. We like it so that there's only one username and one password to see everything that you need to see. And we hope you'll provide feedback when necessary. And yeah, we look forward to you using the portal.